Hello guys, today we have made the ultimate solution to hassle-free outdoor clothes drying system. This smart project is powered by Arduino, which is microcontroller, or you can say mind of the project. Then a rain sensor which will detect the presence of rain in the environment. Then a servo motor which automatically moves your clothesline into the shade, or you can say shelter the moment rain starts, and some bunch of wires. Enjoy peace of your mind knowing your laundry stay dry and protected, making your laundry day a tension-free regardless of the weather. So let's start the project. This is automatic rain protector. So like this is the rain. As soon as the rain will come, sensor will sense and this wiper will move so that your cloth will be safe. Now as soon as rain will go away, then it will automatically come out. Again, if the rain will come, again it will go inside. Like this. When the rain will go away, it will come out. So this is how it's working. Now let me discuss the component and circuit diagram of the project. So this is the module for rain sensor. So you will connect the rain sensor pad over here on these two pins. And this is blue color potentiometer. You can change the sensitivity of your rain sensor with this blue color potentiometer. Then these are the power LED. This is the power LED and this is the status LED. The status LED will show whether the rain has been sensed or not. And this is the IC, which is main processing unit. It is also called comparator IC. Generally we use LM358, but over here we are using LM393. Then these are the four main pin where you will connect your Arduino board. So the first pin is VCC, means 5 volt, second pin is ground, means ground, and third pin is D0, means digital output, and fourth pin is AO, means analog output. So you will use digital output over here, not analog output. And this is the circuit diagram of the project. We are using very simple 3 component over here. The first is this Arduino Uno, and we are connecting only 2 pin of this Arduino Uno. Pin number 9 to this servo motor signal. This is servo motor we have connected on pin number 9, and ground and VCC you can give from the Arduino board. Like these are the ground and VCC. This is 5 volt and this is ground of Arduino. Then this is rain sensor. The rain sensor digital output pin we have connected to pin number 2 of the Arduino Uno. Okay, so this is very simple circuit diagram. As soon as rain will fall on this sensor, it will generate digital high or low that will be sensed by this Arduino at pin number 2, and it will give signal to pin number 9 where we have connected the servo motor. Right, it's very simple. Now let's come to the programming. Here you will connect your Arduino board to your laptop. Then you will select from here Arduino Uno. You can select it from here as well, but automatically it will come over here, right? As soon as you will connect your Arduino Uno, then you just need to program by uploading from here. If I talk about the code, then the code is very simple. We have connected the rain sensor at pin number 2 of this Arduino Uno, and then servo motor is connected on pin number 9. And then if I talk about the main component, like this is the fixed message in void setup. In void loop you can test whether there is a rain or not. So rain is sensed by this if condition. If there is a rain, then it will move servo motor at 180 degree. Else what you will do, you will move the servo motor at 0 degree. It's very simple code. Just upload it by clicking over here